1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Slow. We are here. The first thing we do is basic one of Tarraxinha, but walking. That means when I go on the 1, I make connection first, pre-leading, and then I tell the girl, go with the leg and a little bit with the body and press with the right hand and 1. The girl goes with the hips out, and when I release on the 2, she goes in the wave 2 and prepare the next step. And then I do again 3, 4, 5, 6, block. Okay, don't allow her to finish. And now we do 7 and 8. We have here connection on the thigh, and my right hand will be here. It's open, so we can close, open, close. Good. From here we make break to the side, break, keeping the connection. Then I tilt the body to the side. 2, collect my leg and I go in syncopation 3 and block 4. Turning to the right a little bit, like this. Then we go balance. 5, 6 make power for syncopation, 7 and 8. Second part we're going to ride. That means pre-leading was 7 and 8, 1 and 2. While we drop on the 2, we turn the heel inside and with the right hand 2. So I can push now, push, push, pull. Sorry, we're here. Push, pull, push. And then from here we go down and up. So this motion is like when you go in the park and you have the roller coaster. Good. You tilt the body, let's repeat this. We do down, I connect the leg with my thigh, change the body weight shortly here, and now I go up and with the right leg to the break, break. What we do on the 7, 8, we close. 7, 8.